Hi. Travel time here, and this is my guide to one of the hidden gems of Greek tourism, Parga. This beautiful Greek town is located on the northwest coast of Greece. The town lies on the Ionian coast just south of the island of Corfu. Parga is a hidden gem that is getting more and more popular every year. So, if you are looking for still not so touristy but yet stunningly beautiful Greek town, this is a destination that should be on your travel list. With its picturesque seaside charm, rich history, great food and stunning natural beauty, it is definitely must-visit place. In this video, I'll guide you through the best things to do in Parga during your stay, from its beautiful beaches to historic landmarks and some day trips. First up, the beaches. Parga is renowned for its crystal clear waters and scenic beaches. Start with Valtos Beach. Just a short walk or boat ride from Parga's center, a long stretch of golden sand perfect for sunbathing and water activities like paddleboarding or jet skiing. Valtos Beach offers a long stretch of soft sand and pebble shores. Perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or trying out water sports, this beach is surrounded by lush green hills and overlooked by the historic Parga Castle. Relax at the beachfront tavernas and enjoy the vibrant yet serene atmosphere. For a more tranquil vibe, head to Lychnos Beach, where you can relax under olive trees or explore sea caves by kayak. Nestled in a picturesque bay, Lychnos Beach is a tranquil escape known for its turquoise waters and lush surroundings. Whether you're kayaking along the coast or simply soaking up the sun, Lychnos is a true paradise. Don't miss the chance to explore the nearby sea caves, perfect for a little adventure. And don't miss Kryonory Beach, right in the heart of Parga town, offering stunning views of the Panagia Island. Located in the heart of Parga town, Kryonory Beach is small but charming, and crystal clear waters and iconic views of Panagia Island make it a favorite among locals and visitors alike. Ideal for families and those looking for convenience, this beach is just steps away from Parga's shops, cafes, and restaurants. Strolling through the enchanting streets of Parga Old Town. Old Town, with its labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, and vibrant flower-filled balconies, offers visitors a chance to immerse themselves in the authentic charm of Greek culture. The journey begins in the heart of the Old Town, where winding alleys lead you through a maze of quaint shops and lively tavernas. Here you'll find everything from handcrafted jewelry and leather goods to local delicacies like olive oil and honey. Every corner reveals something unique, a hidden courtyard, a vibrant mural, or a cozy cafe with views of the sparkling Ionian Sea. As you stroll, you'll notice the influence of Parga's rich history, Venetian-style architecture, Ottoman-era relics, and traditional Greek elements come together to tell the story of a town shaped by centuries of cultural exchanges. The streets are alive with the sounds of laughter, music, and the clinking of glasses, as locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the town's warm hospitality. One of the highlights of exploring Parga Old Town is the climb to the Venetian castle. Along the way, you'll pass charming hillside homes and catch glimpses of the sea through the foliage. At night, the town transforms into a magical scene, with glowing lights reflecting off the water and a lively atmosphere that invites you to linger. Unveiling the history of the Venetian castle of Parga. Standing majestically atop a hill overlooking the town and the Ionian Sea, the Venetian castle of Parga is a monument to the region's rich and tumultuous history. This iconic fortress, originally built in the 11th century, was reconstructed and fortified by the Venetians during their rule to protect Parga from pirates and invaders. Today, it stands as a testament to the resilience of the town and a must-visit landmark for history enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. To reach the castle, embark on a scenic uphill walk through the old town's winding streets. Along the way, you'll pass colorful homes, quaint shops, and lively cafes before the path opens up to the ancient fortress gates. The climb is well worth the effort, as you're greeted by a panoramic view that stretches across Parga, the surrounding hills, and the azure waters of the Ionian Sea. Inside the castle, you'll find remnants of a bygone era. Wander through the ruins of old walls, battlements, and courtyards, and imagine the lives of those who defended Parga from its enemies. Look closely, and you'll spot Venetian carvings and emblems, as well as inscriptions that hint at the town's connection to the powerful Republic of Venice. One of the most captivating experiences at the Venetian castle is the view it offers. From here, you can gaze out over Valtos Beach, with its golden sands and turquoise waters, or look back at the charming town of Parga below. The castle is also a fantastic spot for photography, particularly during sunrise or sunset when the light casts a magical glow over the landscape. Panagia Island. Just a short boat ride, or even a swim away, lies Panagia Island, named after the Virgin Mary, or Panagia in Greek. At the heart of the island is a tiny whitewashed chapel dedicated to the Virgin Mary. This small church with its simple architecture and iconic bell tower, is a peaceful retreat for locals and visitors alike. Every year on August 15th, the island comes alive as locals celebrate the Feast of the Virgin Mary with a procession and traditional festivities. Getting to Panagia Island is part of the adventure. You can rent a paddle boat, take a short boat ride, or if you're feeling adventurous, just swim across the calm waters from Parga's main beach. Day trip to Paxos and Antipaxos. One of its most enchanting offerings is a day trip to the stunning islands of Paxos and Antipaxos. These Ionian islands, renowned for their turquoise waters, charming villages, and breathtaking landscapes, make for an unforgettable adventure. Your journey begins in the morning as you board a boat from Parga's vibrant harbor. The ride itself is part of the experience, offering panoramic views of the Ionian Sea and the coastline. The first stop is Antipaxos, a smaller and even tranquil island. Here, you'll find some of the most beautiful beaches in the Mediterranean, including Batumi. The white sand and shallow, aquamarine waters are reminiscent of a tropical paradise. Take a dip in the sea, snorkel to discover vibrant marine life, or simply relax on the pristine shore. If the weather conditions are good, highlight of the trip is often a visit to the famous Blue Caves of Paxos. These natural formations, carved by the sea over millennia, glow with an ethereal blue light, creating a surreal experience. Many tours include time to explore the caves by boat, offering unique photo opportunities. Paxos, the larger of the two islands. Upon arrival, you'll be greeted by the charming harbor village of Gaios. Take a stroll along its narrow streets lined with colorful Venetian-style houses, browse quaint shops, or enjoy a coffee at a seaside cafe. The Acheron River. Known as the River of Souls in Greek mythology, this stunning location blends natural beauty with ancient legend. In ancient Greek mythology, the Acheron was one of the rivers of the underworld, where souls crossed on their way to Hades. But don't worry, today, it's far more about fun and adventure than spirits and shadows. The Acheron River is easy to reach from town of Parga. Whether you're traveling by car or joining a guided tour, the journey itself is part of the experience, with lush mountains and quaint villages along the way. The Acheron is a haven for nature lovers and thrill seekers. You can hike through its stunning gorge, wade through shallow sections of the river, or even try kayaking for a little adrenaline rush. For a more relaxing vibe, find a peaceful spot to soak in the natural beauty or enjoy a riverside picnic. Don't forget your camera. The Acheron's crystal clear waters and vibrant greenery make it a photographer's dream. The Acheron River isn't just a destination, it's an unforgettable experience. Whether you're here for the legends, the adventure, or the serene natural beauty, you'll leave with memories to last a lifetime. Ali Pasha Castle. Nestled on a hill with breathtaking views of the Ionian Sea, this historical fortress is a must-visit destination during your trip to Parga. Built in the early 19th century by the powerful Ottoman ruler Ali Pasha of Ioannina, this castle was a strategic stronghold. You can reach Ali Pasha Castle from Parga town in a fun and unique way, by taking the tourist train. This scenic ride adds an extra layer of charm to your adventure, as you wind through beautiful landscapes on your way to the fortress. It's perfect for families, groups, or anyone looking to enjoy a stress-free trip to this historic site. Its well-preserved walls, secret tunnels, and panoramic vistas tell the tale of a fascinating era. This was my guide to this beautiful town on the coast of Greece. I hope it will help you decide to come and visit this amazing place. And if you are already here, I hope it will help you during your stay. From its stunning beaches and historical landmarks to its enchanting rivers and nearby islands, Parga truly has something for everyone. It is truly a hidden gem of Greece. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what you're most excited to see in Parga. Thanks for watching.